Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gardenscapes level 25. This level can be a bit tricky, but with the right approach, you will conquer it. First, always check your objectives. Knowing what to collect or clear is half the battle. Then, concentrate on making powerful matches to create special pieces. These will be your best friends for clearing the board quickly and effectively. To truly master this level, focus on strategic moves. Try to form 4-in-a-row matches to get rockets or 5-in-a-row for powerful bombs. Combining two power-ups like a bomb and a rocket creates a massive explosion, clearing a large area. A smart tactic is to make matches at the bottom of the board, as this often triggers helpful cascades. Power-ups are essential for success on level 25. Bombs and dynamite are excellent for clearing wide areas of obstacles or collecting many items at once. A rainbow blast is incredibly useful for gathering a large number of a specific piece, which is often crucial for objectives. Don't hesitate to use a booster if you are just a few moves away from victory. For an even greater edge, always try to plan a few moves in advance. This helps you set up bigger combinations and chain reactions. Sometimes, concentrating on clearing one specific area of the board first can be more effective than spreading your moves. Also, remember that to fully remove grass tiles, you need to make 2 matches adjacent to them. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.